Would you like to know the secret or the secrets to truly building a successful business online? Hey, what's going on, my friends? Christopher Harold. And hey, in this video here, I'm going to share with you the 4 necessary secrets to building a successful business online or making money online. I'm going to share with you these really quick. Now, I did a pretty long-term and in-depth video on my website. You can go check that out. But here, I'm not going to go so long, but I'm going to go over the key points. Because why? A lot of folks make this stuff more difficult than what it truly is, my friend. I want to let you know, it's not a difficult formula to making money online. A lot of folks want to do it. Most folks don't. And I'm going to tell you why. Because you know what? The secrets are not really a secret after all. They really are not a secret. I'm about to share these things with you. So let's get into it, because I don't want to make this video go very long. Because like I said, I got more in-depth stuff on my website you can go check out. I'll break down even more detail. But I want to go over this with you because I get so many emails from people every single day. And I read them, I'm like, these folks are really making this stuff more difficult than what it is. So let me tell you the secrets, my friend. And before I start and give you those 4, let me share with you a secret that I promise you most folks don't ever talk about. But it's more important. Understand, it is more important than the 4 necessities I'm going to share with you. It's more important. So this video should say the 5. But what is the first thing? The first thing for you to have any kind of success in making money online in any business, you have to develop a business mindset. This is your bonus coming first. You got to have a business mindset. And this is more important than anything else. Why? Because if you don't have this first, the other 4 things I'm going to share with you don't even matter. They don't matter. So you got to have a business mindset first. You got to know how to think as an entrepreneur and no longer as an employee. You have to think differently. You have to see things differently. You have to visualize differently. Excuse me. My friend, 85% of your success is all right here. 85% of it. The 50% is everything else, the technical stuff. 85% starts right here. And most folks' mindsets are so programmed and conditioned for failure that they don't even realize it. They speak failure. They live failure. They've been programmed and conditioned to think one kind of way of making money. And so you got to develop a mindset, my friend. How do you do that? Well, look behind. You see that bookshelf over there? I do a lot of personal development. I read books all the time. I can give you a suggestion of books to read. Look at my bookshelf. Personal development books, success books, business books, biblical books. I read books all the time, and I listen to audios all the time of highly successful people. People way more successful than I, my friend. You have to read books. 3 books really quick. I got a whole list I can give you later. Email me or connect with me later. But 3 books you need to get right now off the spot. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. The Science to Get Rich is good too. But Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. And You Were Born Rich by Bob Proctor. You need to read those books and then find some audios I can recommend to you. Things of that nature. I listen to Inner Circle audios. Some other things I can recommend to you, my friend. But those books are a great place to start. And How to Win Friends and Influence People is awesome too by Dale Carnegie. But you need to read books. You need to read books, my friend. All right? Because you need to develop perseverance. You need to develop persistence. You need to develop a success mindset. You need to remove a quitter attitude. You need to get rid of a poverty mindset. You need to stop thinking with a poverty mindset. You need to, with a lottery mindset. A lot of things you have to get rid of, my friend. You understand? You can't think with a fear-based mindset. You can't think, well, what if this woe is me? You have to think, how can I? Instead of saying, I can't do this, you want to say, how can I? So this is all personal development. I talk about this stuff more in plenty of my videos. Just go check me out on YouTube. Or check out my websites. No big deal, right? But you have to do that first, because if you don't do this first, you're going to quit, you're going to give up on yourself, and you're going to blame everybody else except you. And if you don't have the success that you truly want, ultimately in your life and your business, whose fault is it? It's yours. So, my friend, you got to develop a business mindset first, and personal development is key, my friend. You got to do that first and foremost. All right, so let's get to the 4 points really quick. This video going longer than what I want it to be. Offer, my friend. You got to have an offer. What is an offer? First thing you have to make money online, you have an offer. An offer is simply a product or service that you offer to the marketplace. It can either be your own product or service, or it can be someone else's. All right. So you got to have an offer or a product to go to the marketplace. I can help you find an offer. I mean, the offers all over ClickBank and other websites like that as well. Or you can, finding offers is not a hard thing to do, but knowing how to do everything else, the market may be a challenge. But you got to find an offer first. Secondly, my friend, you got to know how to create traffic. You understand? You got to create, what's traffic? Traffic is simply people coming to your offer. You got to be able to create traffic. You got to get the masses to come. You got to know how to create traffic. You got to have that flow. You got to have enough eyeballs seeing that offer. You understand what I'm saying? So you got to create traffic. You can do paid traffic. You can do free traffic. You can check out websites like handsfreeleads.com, or you can try to do social media stuff. You know what I'm saying? But you got to get traffic to that website. Third thing, my friend, you got to know how to capture those leads. You know what I'm saying? And trust me, this is where a lot of the right skill set, the right tools come into place. But you got to know how to capture all these leads, my friend. Because what good is it getting people to come to your offer if you don't capture the information? Meaning that you don't get the information, that way you can stay in contact with them, my friend. Because it's very important that you capture as many leads as possible. Because traffic turns into leads. You understand what I'm saying? It's a process. Traffic turns into leads. And the fourth thing, my friend, you got to know how to convert sales. Traffic goes to leads, and leads will turn into sales. Well, how do you convert sales? Well, that's a skill set in itself, but you can have systems, email follow-up systems. That's there. I teach a course. I said, I think the top 10 ways to get more conversions in your business. I got a video training out there in the marketplace that you can get from me. No big deal, my friend. So you have to do that, my friend. And those are the 4 secrets, or the 4 necessities for anyone who want to be successful with their business online. You want to make money online. You want to be an affiliate marketer, internet marketer, anything like that. These are the 4 things that you have to have, including the bonus, what I told you at first, my friend. Now, you can go out there and try to do all this stuff on your own. Or, my friend, you can click the link below this video and get all this stuff all in one for you, where you can have an offer that people want to buy, and it converts a lot. You can be able to figure out how to create traffic for you all in-house as well. You can be able to capture the leads. Everything here to show you how to capture the leads all in one. And so I teach you how to convert the sales. Everything is all in follow-up system. Everything's all in place, my friend. You can get started right now and connect with me with this system that you see right now, just by clicking the link below this video, my friend, and get in and get started right now. It doesn't matter what business you're in. It doesn't matter what business you're in. You can use these tools and systems to grow your business. Or if you're looking for a great offer, you can use this as well, my friend. It doesn't matter what business you're in. Plus, you're going to get some additional bonus training from me. I'm going to teach you on list building. You'll get access to how to list build like a $1.2 billion company does. Conversions training. You're going to get access to a team membership site that has everything already there for you, my friend. Just by you taking action on the link below this video, my friend. So go ahead, my friend. Make a decision. And what's so wonderful about this is that if you truly want to succeed online, if you truly want to make money online, my friend, you truly want to have your business succeed online, you got a real opportunity right now in front of you, my friend. But you got to be willing to take action on that decision right now, my friend. You got to take action right now, and don't delay any further. Because truthfully, you have nothing to lose by doing so. You have nothing to lose by doing so. But you got everything to gain by doing so. You have everything to gain by doing so. And if I were you, my friend, and I truly wanted to change in my lifestyle, if I truly want the life that I truly deep down inside desire in my heart, I wouldn't delay any further, my friend. I'll take action right now. And once you do, you're going to connect with me. You're going to work with me personally, my friend. And I'm going to do everything in my power to help you succeed. You take the first step by taking action now. And if you're serious, I will do everything in my power to see that you succeed. All right, my friend, I give you a lot to do right now. Take action right now. I'll see you on the inside.